going on, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to install a phone charger on your motorcycle. Alright, so this is very easy to do. I'm only going to need a few things, a few tools just to take off your tank and take your seats off. And you're going to need the battery quick disconnect to USB adapter. And lastly, you will need a charger. And I got a black one so that way it'll blend with my bike better. So first step is you want to remove your seats and get yourself access to the battery. So next I need to hook up this cable to the battery. I've got the positive and the negative. It's pretty simple. I'm going to run it through here into the back compartment. And then I just need to hook my negative to the negative and positive to the positive. And then you're going to want to make sure you have a fuse installed too. Make sure it's not blown, just in case. And from here what you're going to do is take the wire that we fed into the back compartment and take the other piece in the kit. This is the other end of that and the USB spot. Plug those together. Now that we have this plugged in, we just need to take the gas tank off and then run the charger all the way from the back up to the front and then right up to your phone mount that hopefully you do have. I've got 4 Allen bolts here and there. And don't forget to turn your gas off. And disconnect your fuel line. With that removed, you're going to take your phone charger and run it all the way to the front. And I'd say 6 feet is about a good length. I bought a 6-foot one and it looks like just about the right amount. Make sure you run it in a spot that it's not going to be kinked or, you know, crushed by anything. I have mine. I have holes in my frame and I'm going to run it through there and it's going to plug in like right around here. It's not a bad spot. And then hopefully I can find a spot to tuck this in so it's not flapping around when I'm not using it. But that's pretty much all. Let's test it out. And if it works, then we're going to put it all back together. Ignition's on. Let's see what she does. Charging. Good to go. This is cool. Now I can charge my phone. Easy as this.
I just got this microphone too, so I wonder how it sounds. The whole motovlog setup is new to me. Who knows where I'm going now? I just hit the highway and go. Usually I'll just, you know, get off in a random town I've never been to and be like, oh, well, here I am. On some touristy shit. Bike's running good. I mean, I don't know. This thing, it's carbureted, and I went through a lot of trouble when I first bought it. Just dicking around with stuff. I was breaking down a lot, like, you know, almost seemed like every other ride or every few rides I was breaking down last year. This year, however, I found out the issue was the fuel pump. Somebody put a cheap fuel pump in it, and it would just, you know, crap out whenever it felt like it. And I put an OEM fuel pump in it, and, you know, I haven't had an issue with it since.